To make a path in Minecraft, start by gathering materials such as gravel, stone, or brick blocks, which are commonly used for paths. Choose a block that matches your desired aesthetic and is suitable for the terrain you are working with. Next, decide on the path's layout. Considering the surrounding environment and the route you want to create, you can use existing landmarks or create a new route to connect different areas of your world. Begin constructing the path by placing the chosen blocks along the desired route, making sure to create a clear and visible pathway. You can use a straight line or create a more winding path, depending on your preference. As you build, consider adding lighting to your path, such as torches or glowstones, to improve visibility and ambiance. You can also add decorations, like flowers or trees, to enhance the overall appearance of the path. To make your path more durable and resistant to damage, consider adding a border or edging, using blocks like stone or brick, to contain the path and prevent it from spreading or getting damaged. Finally, inspect your path and make any necessary adjustments, ensuring it is safe and accessible for players to use. With these steps, you can create a well-designed and functional path in Minecraft that enhances the overall look and feel of your world. Remember to always consider the game's physics and terrain generation when building your path, and be mindful of potential hazards, such as lava or water, that could affect the path's stability. By following these steps and tips, you can create a high-quality path that adds value to your Minecraft world.